Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a fast, reliable, budget-friendly laptop for school, business, remote work, or daily productivity, then today's video is for you. Today, we're reviewing the HP 2025 Student Business Laptop Computer, a surprisingly capable device that includes 1 year of Microsoft Office 365, 16 gigabytes of RAM, fast 128 gigabyte UFS storage, an additional 256 gigabyte SD card, the new AI Copilot Intel 4-core processor, an HD display, and Windows 11 Pro, all inside a stylish silver design. If you'd like to check the current price or grab it on Amazon, the link is below in the description. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the design. The HP 2025 Student Business Laptop is built to be lightweight, compact, and easy to carry, perfect for students, office workers, and anyone who travels frequently. The silver finish gives it a clean, modern, and professional look. Although it's affordable, the laptop feels sturdy and doesn't look cheap at all. It's ideal for classrooms, coffee shops, home offices, and daily commuting. The laptop features a clear HD display, which is great for online classes, video calls, streaming, browsing, and everyday work tasks. Colors are crisp, text is readable, and the screen size provides a comfortable viewing experience whether you're taking notes, working on spreadsheets, or watching YouTube tutorials. While it's not a high-end 4K display, it delivers more than enough clarity for schoolwork and productivity. Now let's talk performance, one of the strongest points for this laptop. It's powered by an AI Copilot Intel 4-core processor designed for modern workloads. This chip is optimized for smooth multitasking, online learning, web browsing, video calls, light office work, and AI-assisted features in Windows 11 Pro. For students, this means faster performance when switching between apps, attending virtual classes, and doing research. For business users, it handles spreadsheets, presentations, email, and CRM software with ease. And thanks to AI Copilot support in Windows 11 Pro, you get smart assistants, automated tasks, and enhanced productivity tools built right in. Next up is memory and storage. The laptop includes 16 gigabytes of RAM, excellent for multitasking, 128 gigabyte UFS fast storage, which boots quickly and loads apps in seconds. 256 gigabyte SD card included, giving you extra room for files, photos, school assignments, and documents. This storage setup is perfect for students and professionals who need both speed and additional space without paying for an expensive SSD upgrade. One major advantage of this HP model is the inclusion of 1 year of Microsoft Office 365. That means you get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, and cloud storage via OneDrive. This alone saves you money and gives you everything you need for school or work right out of the box. And because the laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, you get better security, remote desktop features, business tools, and full compatibility with modern apps. So who's this laptop ideal for? Students, perfect for note-taking, assignments, online learning, and lightweight projects. Business users, great for emails, documents, presentations, and daily office work. Home users are ideal for browsing, video calls, and personal productivity. Travelers are lightweight and portable, easy to take anywhere. Budget-conscious buyers offers amazing value for the price. It's not designed for gaming or heavy video editing, but it's excellent for everyday use, productivity, and schoolwork. Overall, the HP 2025 Student Business Laptop Computer delivers incredible value for anyone needing a dependable and affordable laptop. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, fast UFS storage, 256 gigabytes extra space, Office 365 included, AI Copilot support, and Windows 11 Pro, it's a great option for students, professionals, and everyday users. If you want to check the latest price or grab one for yourself, click the Amazon link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and Amazon deals. See you in the next video.